Bafethu hlezi ndiyitsho lento le. MT Ghost ba.
So like as South Africans, we're giving opportunities to like overseas artists and like
in terms of
Travis Scott's. Yeah, in terms of hip hop.
They cook.
Because when they come here, you know, with the stadium,
I don't think we're giving them. I think they're very consistent because if you were to put so our artists, guys, they're not making even with they're not making shit. Like I don't remember the last time I heard a song and I was like, yo, I cried because the song is so good.
Ricky.
Yes, some of them are good.
Which one?
Not like
which song did you cry to now?
What's Kanake man?
Which one?
Kanake no Amanda.
Amanda Mazani.
No, Kanake by
Amanda Black.
Who's this?
Which
I
one?
just mentioned his name.
Look. Breathe. No, she's Blackie.
No, not. The thing is, you're confusing me. Let me speak. Kana who's this? I just said his name now.
Aries.
No,
Blackie.
roll up.
MTM.
MT.
This one,
yeah, no, not that song.
Aries
Not that song. It's about like his friend that passed away.
Oh, Manando.
Yes,
Manando.
that song. The first time I saw that music video, I literally cried because it was so.
It's Ghost MT. And just imagine nomuntu wesifazane mezothi MT wayemkhalisa in that track Manando, understand? So bayingakho ama-artists mfethu eMzansi akhalisa abantu when it comes to music. Understand? The first time ngizwe umuntu esithi wakhaliswa i-track ye-artist mina. Uyayibona lento le. UNontombi lo uyafakaza ukuthi ngempela akumthembeni iGhost bafethu. Yabo even though abantu bem-undermine bembona njenge-artist nyana, bembona njenge-drug addict, bekhuluma whatever bafuna ukukhuluma kodwa MT bafethu iGhost bafethu. Ghost MT bafethu wasikhuluma iqiniso nje and sibe honest. Ubani ongakhomenta manje athi music ka-MT since wamamela wava ingoma ebhorayo ku-MT kuma-album ka-MT. Wonke ama-album asiqale from kumixtape lokuqala leti DIY EP. Sibuye sithi Avery. Sibuye sithi Manando. Sibuye sithi DIY 2. Sibuye sithi Logan. Sibuye sithi DIY 3. Sibuye sithi DIY 3 Deluxe. Ngiphi ingoma kulama album wonke lento wabizile wena yakubhora wena yakubhora wathi no man yazi kule ngoma kule album le project le kunengoma kanje nakanje angibhora. So lo Nontombi lo uyafakaza ukuthi ngempela uMT bafethi iGhost even dona ke engayitholi inhlonipho ne recognition le right ebalekile because into enhlezi ngibona mina kuhlezi kunconya ama-artist and bekhona ama-artist aba-overrated but la-artist lantswembi ngeqiniso ngempela bafethu awabhekelwa awasupportwa kuhlezi ukhuluma into ezinegative ngawo kuhlezi engathandwa nangu uNontombi-ke uyayibona uthi nawakhala yabona ubuthanda inkosi amaNdebele mengizothi
i-bitches sizokhala yabo in life i-bitches yabo le time iyashumayela le way yenza i-passion cause iyayazi i-bitches sizokhala yonke oyenzayo go hard khalisa i-bitches noba uyashumayela ecaweni i-bitches sizokhala noba uyarapper sizokhala i-bitches noba uyaswenka fumana i-bookings le time iyachatisa iyathini xa ishumayela kuthulwa nje iyayazi i-bitches sizokhala
Mazikhale bezotsho kanjalo just ukuthi ke mina ngithanda nje amagama aphuma ecaleni but menzisho kanjalo ukuthi mazikhale ayibona into leyo. So ke abanye amagama zamuthi bafethu hloniphani MT the hustler bafethu because iGhost abantu bethanda bengathanda MT iGhost bafethu and is here to stay. Abantu bethanda bengathanda sekuningi okuza from MT the hustler. Le video vele yangijabulisa mangibona ukhona abantu abakhuluma iqiniso nge-MT abathi yazini umusic ka-MT uyasitouch in our soul usenza ukuthi sikwazi ukukhala. Uyayibona into leyo ungakhalisa umuntu you touch soul yakhe, ungakhalisa umuntu you touch soul yakhe because it's out kancane bafethu.